My dear students, good morning. Now I am going to upload a second year chemistry, that is reactions of fluorine with water. It is a 2 marks question, IP, CBSE also. Reactions of fluorine with water. You know what is fluorine? It is a halogen. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, halogen. 17th group lo uncham. We have placed halogens in 17th group. Fluorine, a super halogen. What is that? Super halogen. If you anybody say fluorine, you must keep it in mind. Small size, number 1 point, small size, electronegativity high, that is 4, electronegativity high, no d orbital, electronegativity high, no d orbital, lowest bond dissociation energy. So, small size, fluorine anomalous behavior. What is the reason for the anomalous behavior of fluorine? One is small size, number 2 is electronegativity high, highest electronegativity element in periodic table, that is fluor according to Pauling scale. No d orbital, there is no d orbital, 1s2, 2s2, 2p5. So there is second shell is confined to up to second shell, no d orbital. Bond dissociation energy. The energy required to break the bond is low. When bond dissociation energy is low, that means activation energy is low. That means if activation energy is low, that is nothing but reaction takes place with other compound very easily. Fluorine bond dissociation energy is very low. I am telling. If bond dissociation energy is low, activation energy is also low. If activation energy is low, ready to participate in chemical reaction with other compounds. So this is the anomalous behavior of fluorine. A small size, high electronegativity, no d orbital, bond dissociation energy is low, that is activation energy is also low. Okay. So next, reactions of fluorine with water. Water means H2. F2 vigorously react with water. H2O, HF plus O2. F2 vigorously react with water. HF plus O2, HF plus O3. So these are the reactions you are supposed to write when fluorine superhalogen, which is being present in 17th group, reactive with water, hydrogen fluoride, which is used to etching glass, HF, ETCHING, to etching glass. What is the substance used to etching on glass? That is nothing but hydrogen fluoride, HF. So F2 plus H2O gives HF, F2 2, kind of 1, so I am going to mention 2, okay, H2 2, okay, O 2, so I am going to 2 into 2 4, so I am writing 4 HF, I am writing 2. 2F2 plus 2H2O gives 4HF plus O2, okay. So simply keep it in mind, 2, 2, 4. 2, 2, 4. While balancing the equation, to prevent the time, to avoid the wastage of time, you simply a trick that is nothing but 2 to 4. 2 to 4. 4 to no problem. There is no need to mention any coefficient before oxygen. Okay. Next, F2 plus H2O, HF plus O3. Here HF, so I am mentioning 2. H2O 2, okay. O 1, here 3. So I am mentioning 3. 3 into 2, 6. 6 HF. Fluorine 6. So 3. 3F2 plus 3H2O gives 6HF plus O3. So when fluorine react with water, we have HF, comma, at the same time oxygen and O3, ozone, O3. So here F2, oxidation number 0, here -1, fluorine, fluoride, here 0, here -1. So fluorine, oxidation number 0 to reduced, -1, decreased. If oxidation number decreased, this indicates nothing but reduction. Oxidation number decreased 0 to -1, that is nothing but reduction. Fluorine converted to fluoride ion. So please note it, 2 marks most important, HF plus O2, HF plus O3. Reduction, undergoes reduction. Converted 0 to -1. Oxidation number decreases, the reaction is said to be reduction. Fluorine oxidation number 0 to -1. Next, chlorine. Chlorine reacting with water, we get hydrogen chloride and hypochlorous acid. Chlorine, this is also one of the questions for 2 marks in IPE in 17th group element. That is 17th group elements. Chlorine reacting with water, HCl and HOCl, hydrogen chloride, hypochlorous acid. This is HOCl, He plus OCl minus hypochlorite ion. H plus OCl minus hypochlorite ion. Releases H plus. This is nothing but it shows acidic character. This is nothing but pH decrease. So chlorine reacting with water, we have one is hydrogen chloride, another is hypochlorous acid, HOCl, hypochlorous acid. Hypochlorous acid dissociate H plus into hypochlorite ion. It releases H plus. This indicates it shows acidic character. This shows acidic character that indicates pH decrease. Okay. I wish you all the best. God bless you.